What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're taking a look at a case that was sent out to me by a company called Subcase. So a big shout out to them for sending this case out. So this is the Subcase UNICORN BEETLE Pro Series case designed for your AirPods 1 and 2. Full rugged body protection case with carabiner clip. So this comes in 4 different colors. Here's the red one. You can also get it in blue, black, and dark green. All of them are $18.99, except for the black one is $16.99. But I'll leave a link where you can pick this up. You can get it at Amazon.com. Like I said, the price is $18.99. So let's take a look at, now this is the UNICORN BEETLE Pro, and it's pretty much the same design as what I have here on my iPhone. As you can see, it has carbon fiber, it has the nice look to it, and it's very good drop protection. But let's take a look at some of the features and details here of this case. So it includes a carabiner, like I said, precise cutouts, so you can get to your charging port. You also, if you have the second gen, you can see your LED charging light on it. Full body design, rugged full body design, defends your AirPods against scrapes, bumps, scratches, and falls. Scratch resistant, just like I said, and drop proof. So let's get into it, see what we got here, guys. So here's the nice presentation, like they always have. UNICORN BEETLE Pro, as you can see, drop protection. And here's the back of it, just giving you a little illustration on how to install this on your AirPods. Now, so I'm still rocking the first gen, and mine still work good. I haven't really wanted to change. I still get pretty good battery life and all that out of mine, so I'm not really looking to upgrade just yet. All right, so they sent me the blue one, man. That's cool. So let's see what else we got here. Thanks for your support card. That's cool as well. And let's see what we got here. So let's take a look at the carabiner clip here, and then we'll look at the case. So here's the little carabiner clip. Cool, has a little microfiber pattern on there as well. Nice little stiff little clamp right here, and you do get your little ring to attach it. And Subcase always has a nice presentation, so let's see this case. I can see it's blue. I got the blue one. Whoa, that is awesome looking right there, man. That is beautiful. So here we go. Let's go around it here. You got the Subcase logo right there. Shock Ultimate Protection, SUP. Subcase branding. You do have a little feet here that when you lay the case down, it's not laying directly on the case. And this thing is beautiful. There's the carbon fiber look there. Beefed up corners here for drop protection. And then on the back of it, nice pattern. This blue color is really nice. I hope my camera's doing it great. And if you got the ones where you can see the LED indicator right there, you do have a light there. And then here's the bottom. It does have that carbon fiber look on the bottom of it as well. So this is going to be a thick case, but I think it's going to be some great protection. So let's drop it on the AirPods here. These are the first gen, so I don't have the indicator charging light there. So let's go ahead and drop it on here. So this is the front of it, and here's the top right here. And there you are, man. That is a hot look. Definitely hot. If you got the indicator light, you can see it'll be right there. There's the bottom of it. You guys can see just a wide opening there for your charging port. You do have the feet on the front and the back. So here's the back of it, and here it is with the case open. So you can get this in multiple colors. I really like this case, man. And if I wanted to drop my carabiner on here, let's go ahead and see if I can get that on here on camera, man. My fingers are kind of fat here, and so I'm not sure if I can get this on there while I'm recording this, but we will try and see if I can make it work. So there it is. So that's how you will rock this. put it on your belt loop or your backpack or whatever. There's that carbon fiber. Just a very nice looking case. And like I said, it has that same rugged design as I have here on my iPhone. Some great protection, man. So yeah, I'll leave this link. This is a beautiful case. The color is awesome on this, man, and works well. You don't have to worry about this coming off because it's really on there, really nice, and just a very nice rugged case. I'll leave the link in the description, guys, if you guys want to pick this up. This is the UNICORN BEETLE Pro Apple AirPods 1 and 2. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.